If you've seen traders using special indicators that you can't find in the public library, those are called invite-only scripts. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to access invite-only scripts on TradingView in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, it's important to understand what invite-only scripts are. These are private indicators created by developers who choose not to share them publicly. That means you cannot search and add them like normal indicators. You need permission from the script owner to use them. To get access, the first step is to find the script creator. This can be through TradingView itself, social media, Telegram groups, or websites where traders share their tools. Once you find the creator, you'll usually need to request access. Some creators offer free access, while others may charge a subscription fee. After you request access and the creator approves it, they will grant your TradingView username permission to use the script. This is done from their side, so you don't need to install anything manually. Now, once you have access, open TradingView and go to your chart. Click on the Indicators section at the top, then go to the Invite Only tab. Here, you'll see all the scripts that you've been granted access to. Simply click on the script you want and it will be added to your chart. If you don't see the script even after getting access, try refreshing the page or logging out and logging back in. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for the access to update. Also, remember that invite-only scripts cannot be copied or edited by you. They are protected by the creator, so you can only use them as they are. Be careful while purchasing access from unknown sources and always choose trusted creators to avoid scams. So, in simple words, to access invite-only scripts on TradingView, find the creator, request access, get approval, go to the Invite-Only tab, and add the script to your chart. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple trading tutorials. See you in the next video.